our next project is tackling all this old dated wallpaper. We're going to be putting on this wallpaper. We're going to cover this whole dinette area here. We decided not to paint this cabinet. This one's going to stay original wood along with the booth. And I think this is the floor that we decided on, this pattern here. I think it's like white pine or something like that, that we're going to put down. So, let's get started on this. All right, we got part of the wall done. Put these things back on, nice and clean. It's going to look really nice. Little cabin look. That's a big difference from that to that. Now all we got to do is this, navigate all the windows, and we'll be done. Today's new floor day in the Lance Squire 4000. Here's the old existing floor, which I left it down while I painted, because see, then I didn't have to tape it off, get it all painted. We're going to take all this up. We're going to lay this on the new piece of floor and trace it out and cut it. Hopefully have enough to do that little table ledge. Huh, left the beer bottle in there. Of course I come to get the flooring and it's not here. Well, let me go ask somebody. It was just here 2 days ago. All right, so when you load a truck camper, they recommend having a bed mat. The bed mats are expensive. One that's not even covering in the wheel wells is like $140. So if you guys remember my video when I put the Anderson hitch in the bed, I got these standing mats. We went and got 3 of them, so it was like 60 bucks. But I get a discount at Home Depot, so it's even cheaper than that. I just cut the one off like a makeshift bed mat, and that'll keep the truck camper from scarring up the bed of the truck. So I'm gonna try these and see how they work. First we got to put this wood frame in that it sits on. I need to put a piece of board on this, I think, to level that off at some point. That's because of those 2 things on the roof of the Ford. The camper will hit those, so this rack elevates that a little bit. Now I just remembered I gotta get my license plate off before I put the truck camper on. So there's my Timbrens. With this truck camper on, they're still not touching. That's pretty good. Probably about 1/8 of an inch. All right, behind these doors. Let's turn the light on first. It's most of our RV stuff. And a snare drum. All right. Taking a truck camper out tomorrow. We're going to Virginia for a few days. Just got to get the necessities. I'm gonna need a water line, sewer hose. I got a water filter. I'm gonna try to put everything in a tub and just stick it in the truck because I haven't figured out where I'm gonna put everything on that little camper yet. She's small. Don't need a cable, TV cable. All right, start pulling stuff out of here and see what we got. Leveling blocks. Gotta have those. Isn't that a cool van? Okay, in this tote we got our Watchdog 50 amp, 10-foot piece of hose, water hose. And that's our winter insulated heated hose. All right, in this tote, got our ATG Fox, which is another power surge thing they sent us. I don't know. Yeah, that's a 50 amp as well. Oh, there's my water filter. I need that. What else is in there? Oh, some quick connects, some screens, Y connector. Maybe what I'll do is take that whole tote. That'll go with me. What's in this one? They're labeled, but they're labeled wrong. Okay, some dog bones. How many of those do I need? Good Lord. So our only outside storage is this one compartment. So I've got my power surge, shovel, my levelers. But check this out. We got this long drawer that pulls way out, goes way up in there. Right now I just got bug spray and fire starter. Could probably put fishing rods and stuff in there, hatchets. But for now, we're just going minimal. Still got this much space. So I'm gonna put my H20 stuff in there. Well, move my links, levelers. Move those. Okay, so that'll have to go sideways because it won't sit flat. Huh, there's nothing in there that it matters if it's on its side. And then we'll stick these guys in here like that. Get the label out, I like to see it. It's taking a lot of practice coming from a 42-foot fifth wheel, huh?
feel like I'm looking in circles because I don't know where to put stuff.
Yeah. I got this water hose. This water hose came with it, but I don't trust someone didn't urinate inside that thing or whatever, so that'll just be a water hose for spraying out stuff. My water filter's in there, and I got the sewer hose in that bag. I figured I'm gonna do with that. Because it does have a sewer hose compartment right here. But that's itty bitty. I mean, that's like a 5 foot, if even that, piece of hose. So, oh, yep, I got that water hose. Gotta decide what we're taking, what we're not. So look at that. That little flex hose fits right in there, all coiled up. I don't like that hose, it kinks up, but for right now, it works really good for this application. I don't know where I'm gonna put that. I might just leave that one behind. Do this one for this 3-night little jaunt. We're only gonna actually be in a campground for 1 night. So I'm only gonna get this stuff out for 1 night. Or driveway surfing 2 nights. Ooh, I gotta get an extension cord. All right, let me go do that. We're making our way to Virginia, see some family, and take this camper out, check it out, see what else we gotta fix. Okay, so the first negative, I gotta take this turnbuckle loose to be able to fuel up. So that would be another advantage to have fast guns, because that takes a minute to do. It's not a problem, it's just a little bit of a nuisance. So that's when fast guns, I just can't afford those right now. They're very expensive.
It's crazy town in there.
Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's coffee.
All right, Buc-ee's coffee.
I got 2 biscuits. You gotta decide which one you want.
All right.
I got ham, egg, and croissant. Or sausage, egg, and croissant. Totally up to you.
Which one do you want?
I really have no preference. They were equally tempting to me.
All right, we landed in Virginia. Our first night. We are driveway surfing at my folks' place. Plugged into the garage. Back in here, behind the bushes and the trees. Got our 30 amp to 110 reducer. Our first night staying in the truck camper. We've got Pebbles. Megan. Yeah, Pebbles is still making it. She's hanging in there.
Just trying to situate stuff.
We'll be here tonight, tomorrow night, and then Wednesday we're gonna head back toward Tennessee and stop at an actual campground and plug in and everything.
Yeah, I'm just trying to situate because I don't really know where anything goes yet.
Look, I forgot what I found. I've been looking and looking. And let's see, I think this is still open. Yes. My soft start. So I'll better get that put on the air condition so we can run that puppy more often than not. Anyway, Pebbies, you sheepy? You ready to maybe get some shut-eye? You look pathetic. All right, guys, we'll check in with you maybe tomorrow or maybe when we're all heading toward the campground. All right, guys, so we're gonna end this video right here. Don't go anywhere yet. The video's getting kind of long. We're still in Virginia. We're getting ready to pull out and head to a campground. Where? We don't know. We're just gonna take some back roads and find something cool to stop. So join us in our next video. When we get to that campground, we'll show you what it's like, get everything going on the truck camper, see what's leaking, what's working, what's not working. Thank you guys for sticking around this long. We appreciate y'all, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.